So let me check again. So tubing flow, and then producer, diluent injection. Oh, sorry. So here, annular injection, but plus gas lift. Yeah. And annular injection with gas lift. So now we will install gas lift as well. Click done. Let the system be ready now here. Okay, so now this is the spot of our diluent injection. And again, click this one. So the diluent injection depth is at 9,000 feet. Diluent injection rate 5,000 stock tank barrel per day. And the gas lift gas gravity, injected gas gravity, for example, 0.7. No H2S, no CO2, no nitrogen. The GLR, gas liquid ratio, for example, 50, and gas lift depth is at 7,500. And later on, we will do optimization to get the best GLR and the best injection rate. So click done. Okay, and then here. So we have our injection gas lift injection depth here, and diluent injection depth here. But again, we need to check downhole equipment. Okay, so far so good. There is no, oh, sorry, this one, casing inside diameter. Now we need to input casing inside diameter to calculate the annulus. So it's 6.4 and also 6.4 here. All right, so far so good. So click done. And we can check the summary. So there is error. Okay, let's go back to downhole equipment. Oh, here I forget to input the tubing outside diameter. So tubing OD is 4.8. So after providing the tubing outside diameter and casing inside diameter, Prosper will calculate the annulus. Click done and summary. This is summary in table and drawdown hole. So this is our well configuration. We have Christmas tree, tubing with inside diameter and outside diameter, and also the subsurface safety valve, and tubing, and injection point, and the casing as well. So click done, click done, click done. All right, now we are very ready to do the nodal analysis. So we go back to calculation, system IPRVLP, wellhead pressure 250, and water cut 54. And then total GOR is 800, and everything maintained as per default. And now we will create cases to get the best GLR, gas liquid ratio, and the diluent rate. So open the drop-down menu. We will do sensitivity analysis for diluent, this one, salt diluent rate percent.